All right, another flat tire. So I'm gonna take this, first take the screw out. And then I'm gonna remove the tire. This is good to use. I use 2 of them. And then kind of like, there you go. And there you go. Yank out the old tube. Get a new one. And the new one has a different, I don't know what they call them, but there's a different valve. Stick in. Actually, before putting it in, it's good to pump it just a bit with air. Just a few pumps. Not a lot. There you go. Just to have it a little bit. Just a touch. Yeah. Make sure it's. Actually, I need more. I need more. Rushing it. There you go. That's good. So it gives it a shape. We'll start by, another thing you gotta do is to kind of put your finger through the tire, make sure there's no nail or sharp objects in there, because otherwise you put a new tube in, you get a flat right away, and then you are screwed. If you're on a trail or something, then you kind of put this guy back in there. It's always good to have an extra tube. You can use a patch kit, but this one's faster. If you're on a trail or you don't want to be screwing around, start with the where this guy is, the valve is. Start from that end, put them all in, and make sure they don't come out. Alrighty. And then this one doesn't need a tool to get it in. And then you put the pump. Hopefully you have a pump that you can carry. This one is a bit too big to carry on the bike. Make sure the tire is seated properly. You don't want it to jump out of the... This tire is a bit stretched. It's a bit old. Should be replaced soon, but still decent. Make sure it's seated properly. There's no... It's holding air. Good job. And that's it. Put it back on the bike and you're ready to go. A quick tire change with simple tools. Basically, all you need is plastic tire levers and a brand new bicycle tire. A good tip is also to attach that new bicycle tire right to your saddle with the zip ties. That way it's always with you and it's out of the way, but when you need it, it's right there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.